Hello, today we will guide you through how to settle up in Splitwise. If you've already tracked shared expenses in Splitwise and you're ready to record that someone has paid you back or that you've paid someone else, this process is quick and straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening the app all the way to recording a payment so the balance updates correctly. Start by opening the Splitwise app on your device. Once the app loads, you'll arrive at the main area where your balances, groups, and recent activity are displayed. This is the starting point for managing any shared expenses or repayments. Next, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on Friends. This section shows the people you've been splitting expenses with individually. It's useful when you want to settle up with one specific person rather than with an entire group. From the Friends list, tap on the friend you want to settle up with. In this example, a sample friend is selected. Opening that person's profile lets you see your shared balance and any expense history between the two of you. Before moving on, it can be helpful to quickly confirm that you're choosing the correct person, especially if you split expenses with several contacts. Once you're on that friend's page, tap on Settle Up. This opens the payment entry screen where you can log the amount that was paid. The Settle Up feature is important because it keeps your records accurate without needing to create a new expense. Now enter the payment amount in the value field. In the example, a sample value is used. Be sure to type the amount carefully so your balance reflects the payment correctly. If you're matching a real-world payment, this is a good time to double-check the number before continuing. After you've entered the amount, tap Record Payment. This saves the settlement in Splitwise and updates the balance between you and your friend. Once recorded, the app will show the revised amount owed, helping both sides stay on the same page. That's all it takes to settle up in Splitwise. Opening the app, going to the Friends section, selecting the right contact, tapping Settle Up, entering the amount, and recording the payment will keep your shared finances organized and easy to track. If you make a habit of recording payments right away, it can help avoid confusion later and keep everyone's balances accurate.